Let's take a deep look into 20 stars that haven't aged in over a decade. From Pharrell and Adam Levine to Gwen Stefani and J-Lo, check out the star who seems to have stopped the clock and stay exactly the same. Number 1. Pharrell Williams. The pinnacle of all stars who never seem to age, Pharrell still has his boyish good looks and perfect complexion 12 years on. You done good, Pharrell. Number 2. Rihanna. She's released 7 albums between 2 peaks, but clearly Riri takes her beauty regime seriously. Tell us your secrets, babe. Number 3. Enrique Iglesias. Everyone's favorite Latino love god simply gets better with age. The only difference between now and 2001 is the removal of his mole, if you know what I'm saying. Number 4. Adam Levine. If anything, in the 11 years between these two Adam Levine snaps, the Maroon 5 frontman has just gotten chiseled and handsome. What gives? Number 5. Kanye West. Somehow there's over a decade between these two snaps of the Yeezy star, and somehow Kanye look exactly the same, although he has learned how to smile. Number 6. Jennifer Aniston. It's hard to believe it's been 20 years between these two snaps, because let's face it, Jen barely looks like she's aged a day since her friend days. Number 7. Beyonce. Just like her hubby, Beyonce looking just as good as today as she's did back in her Destiny's Child days. But clearly, she's winning more awards these days. Shout out to Beyonce. She doesn't need it. Number 8. Jennifer Lopez. In the first picture way back in 1990, she's just Jenny from the block. Fast forward 16 years and still it's J-Lo, just looking even more glamorous. What do you think? Comment below. Number 9. Usher. His style definitely grown up, but the face is still the same. The same. How does he do it? According to him, he says he eats a lot of green veggies and drink a lot of water. So, what are you going to do to never age? Comment below. Number 10. Angelina Jolie. In 2000, Ange was fresh-faced and fabulous. Fast forward 14 years, nothing's changed. Even being a supermom hasn't aged her. Number 11. Will Smith. The Fresh Prince is still looking mighty fresh. We can't believe there's almost been 2 decades between these two photos. 2 decades. 20 years. Can you imagine this? Number 12. Halle Berry. Is it possible that Halle Berry is pulling a Benjamin Button and aging backwards? It's a miracle. Number 13. Gwen Stefani. How is it possible in 15 years Gwen Stefani still looks as fresh-faced as she did in her no doubt day? Number 14. Mila Kunis. Some things get better with age, and that's certainly with the case with Mila, right? Number 15. Jay-Z. We need to have a word with Jay-Z about his healthy and beauty routine as soon as possible. Because this man seems to have stayed exactly the same in over a decade. Well, his dress sense has grown up a little. Number 16. The rap god Eminem. Bleached hair? Check. Angry expressions? Double check. Eminem really hasn't changed. Number 17. Rachel Stevens. Wow! Not only were we blown away when we heard that 7 Club 7 were reuniting, but the bigger shock is that Rachel Stevens hasn't changed or aged in over 15 years. If that's what S Club Party does on to you, sign us up, please. Number 18. Johnny Depp. He was hot in 2001 and he is hot in 2020, and he will be hot even more far. We can't imagine a time when Johnny Depp looks anything less than perfection. Mind blowing. Number 19. Kylie Minogue. 14 years. That's how long it's been. These photos, and Kyle is still managing to look hot pulling off an LBD. And the last but not the least, number 20, Kimberly Walsh. Not only Kimberly's looks frozen in time, but so has her signature smile. Very cute. So that is a wrap on today's video, guys. Waiting for next video. Subscribe, like and share. Share with it with your friends. Thank you so much.